Right, let's get on with this. Bloody GoPro keeps dying. Anyway, hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's subject, we're going to have a chat about, hello sir, leathers, and specifically one piece and two piece. If that interests you, stick around, we'll get into it, and yeah, grab a cup of coffee or tea, and see you in a sec. Okay, so one piece and two piece. You might be in the market for buying some new leathers and you're wondering what would be the best choice for you. You might really like a one piece, the way they look, or you might think the practicality of a two piece is better. Now, I have recently, I say recently, a few months ago, bought a one piece, sorry. A really nice one piece. I'll stick a picture up. Matches my gloves, my boots, and I thought, yes, I'm finally going to be the Power Ranger I was destined to be. However, now there are some benefits and there are some cons to one pieces. Now let's start with the one piece. We'll go through that now. The one piece, as good as they look, they can be a bit of a nightmare. A bee to the face. Now, the reason I say they're a bit of a nightmare is because, one, they're very hard to get in, and I've also found that if you have a heated jacket, for example, like I do, I can't plug it into the bike unless I have a battery pack in the jacket. So that's another annoyance. They're quite hard to get into if you get one that fits you right, and to get out of the one piece that I bought is an absolute nightmare. Like, I look like a complete tool when I'm trying to take it off, and even get it on, in fact. So generally speaking, they're not the easiest things to live with. If you go and do track days, you have to have, a two piece that zips, or you have a full-blown one piece, and they're happy with that. As long on the two piece, you have to have the zip that goes all the way around, pretty much, like 3/4 of the way around. Otherwise, you might be in danger of they telling you not to go on track because whatever, it won't keep you in one piece. I don't know the rules, but yeah, you might have troubles with a two piece in some tracks. You might not. I don't know. Now, as good as the one piece looks, it probably is. It may be better for safety. I don't really know, but I don't really see major advantages. If you're just riding on the road, especially if you're doing an everyday thing, there's definitely no real advantage to having a one piece. If you're a weekend warrior and you're just a Sunday rider, a one piece is probably a good shout. Although, you know, like I said before, getting it off and on can be a bit of a pain in the arse. Hello. I have found myself getting in the two piece more frequently. I can plug stuff in, I can unzip it and just take the top off when I'm at the cafe, or you know, if I'm stopping, and that's a real big bonus. So for everyday use, I would say you're probably going to want to have a two piece, if I'm honest. They are more comfortable, they make more sense. Let's see if I can sneaky. Sneaky. Yeah, for every day they just make a bit more sense, and I just generally find them more comfortable. Two pieces definitely win for me, although I really do like a one piece, I got to admit. They look a lot better. You know, they feel quite good when you're on the bike, and they're all snug, they fit nice on the hip, whereas the two pieces generally be a bit looser. But yeah, I don't know what you guys think. Have you got a one piece or a two piece? I'm thinking I'm going to have to sell my one piece because I think I bought it and it's slightly too small. I did try it on, but it's yeah, it is right up in the air. It's rubbing my leg when I'm standing up, and I know it doesn't really matter if you're standing up, but damn, it's uncomfortable. Don't know what the deal is with the potholes at the moment around, specifically where I live. I don't know if this is the problem all up and down the country, but It probably is. The potholes are everywhere at the moment. I can't seem to avoid the damn things. And they're brutal as well. Even in the local village that I live in, the potholes, people are complaining about potholes. I mean, I don't really get why they take so long to repair. They take yonks to repair. I think there's a weird rule as well at the council where if they're aware of the pothole and someone goes through it and breaks their rim in half, if the council are aware of it, like, look at this shit, look at this. I'm gonna need to get a KTM. Yeah, if they're aware of the pothole, you won't get your money back. As far as I believe, correct me if I'm wrong. Oh my god. And if they're not aware of it, and you take the photos and you report it, let's say you're the first person that reports it, then you might get your claim back. But if they're aware of it, you might not. The sun's finally out today. It's a sunny 10 degrees. Still a bit nippy, but oh, fucking bugs, man. I go through one lane. I've been riding most of the day, gone through one lane, and like 4 bugs have just totally destroyed my visor. Let's adjust this camera before it falls off. But yeah, guys, I hope you're having a good weekend. A little bit of a catch up. I did want to talk a little bit about my moped, because that moped is going back in a couple of weeks. It's just a loan bike, and I'm replacing it with a new loan bike, and I'm excited to show you guys what it is. I'm looking forward to picking it up. It's not a bike that I would imagine I would be getting, but I am, and I plan to do a lot of miles on this bike. That's a bit of a hint. It's another BMW. So see if you can guess in the comments, if you get this far in the video, if you can guess it, good things will happen. I can't wait to get it and see what all the hype is about. It's muddy around here. Like, another thing of potholes is mud. Like, look at this, mud in the middle of the road. I've seen many videos about mud and farm tracks and building sites. Apparently, if a building site is creating mud and dirt on the road, they are responsible to clean it up. And if you come off your bike and they haven't cleaned it, I guess you could probably sue them. I don't know how that works really, because, you know, if they are going to create mud, then okay, but, you know, what's the time period? I could create, they could create mud now, and I could go through it 2 seconds later, come off and crash. Who knows? I don't know. Would they be liable? I don't really know. But anyway, guys, yeah, it was just a quick catch up, bit of a talk about one-piece leathers, two-piece leathers, potholes, general life. Hope it's going well for you. Sorry I haven't done a video or two. It's been very busy with work, and as everyone is, travelling around a little bit, and yeah, haven't had time to do anything. When I do get out, the GoPro dies. I have a 99% battery. I turn it on and it crashes like straight away. Or I finish my video and then I look and it's like the battery run out after 20 seconds, and it's, oh, I literally want to throw it out the window. I'm quite tempted to look at the Insta3, it might be not the 360, it's the Insta something, I don't know, Insta360. I brought out a new camera that rivals the GoPro. It looks quite cool. Check it out. I'll put a link to it in the description. See what you think. But anyway, I hope you're doing well. Ride safe as the sun's coming out. Hopefully I'll be able to do more videos and see you guys out on the road. Take care. See you on the next one. Ciao for now.